Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to fix restricted mode has hidden comments on YouTube from your mobile. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my mobile I just open YouTube and I just play any other videos means it will ask for a hidden comments. Yes, restricted mode has been hidden comments for this video it's coming. So what I have to do here, so how to remove this option? For example, I've play any types of video means it will show like the restriction mode is switched on in my laptop as you see here. So how to remove this option? So just close this YouTube and just go to home page. You will find a username on top of your right hand side corner. Just hit the button username and you will have a plenty of option over there. So just go to settings option. Once you click a settings option, there will be plenty of settings option will be available. Just go to general setting. Once you click a general setting, there will be a plenty of general setting options will be there. Just scroll down, you will have a restricted mode. This help to hidden partial mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate like that is there. It is enabled. That's why I'm not able to see the comments and I'm not able to see the any types of videos over there. So just disable this option. Automatically your restricted mode will be switched off in your YouTube. So just go back and you will find a same video. Just play means automatically you will have the comments over here. As you see here, there will be a comments over there. So whatever video you are looking for, that everything has a video has the comments, so you can able to see and you can able to comment your videos. For example, whatever videos you are liking to see and whatever video you want to see, that you can able to identify, you can able to see and you can able to check it out. So this is a beautiful option which is given from the YouTube. So you need to enable or disable this option so that it will be easy to access your entire YouTube. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.